Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. Everything's overwhelming. Scared that I won't get it right. Get it right.
So, it's time mo kata ka bangin ya late ang ti ban le kai kata ka KTM XP kyong mo kaneka even me thmai kaneka 160 200 250 cc ka ba thmai mo ka KTM teba kya experience ngi bangin test mo bangin experience mangi bangin test bangin a te I hope mayu nya ka 90 te mayu nya ngin sendura mo bentai flip pro ngamo John official te ta late stage ba Shekdon make ka track mo basi ka track jadi ka first jonga long pangan nya ang tu kay bangan first track demo tadi ka ba tang chu nya khandit ne sibun ne kalau noro ka makadi first jonga I hope bangan so tanat so ka apa de idon perlu ke yang seperti ini spang jangan lap nanti dereng let's go so tentang ini apa yang apa Warisa Estate ba kila banyak ini apa yang memang ini dan makan kali स्पोर्ट कार बबलू ये भाई चेहरा दिखाओ ना थोड़ा कैसा boy इधर ले so today mom tasking ya le kata ka KTM Cup nah bro KTM Cup na XP so ये तो मेरा फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस होगा ये मतलब ये ट्रैक में चलाने के लिए तो kan dikasih Nyngkong mau ingat banyak na track. I hope mayunya 390. हमको तो 390 चाहिए यार चलाने के लिए. ना? मिलेगा? नहीं मिलेगा ना?
मेरा तो KTM था तो.
नाम तो नहीं है ना मेरा.
Oh, मेरा भी कहाँ है बात.
So yeah, niya kundu usti kita gi ba kami kampau kam famous mah. Let's go. Ayo anes tigar mah serta skuti. Kena ikut patch. Oh handband mah. Mereka KTM. Boy, im don license dah beli ni. Saya asal tak kan bos kuti bayi bang mah. Bayi bang asal tak review. Ya. Ni excited pula ban syuta be kat Suyo.
My गाड़ी.
इधर भाई कैसा है? कैसा है? अरे अभी तो क्या KTM चला रहा है?
KTM नहीं सब चलाते हैं
हाँ?
सब चलाते हैं
सब
फ्री का
चलाते
हमारा
हैं?
कुछ सब एक भी
फ्री का
नहीं
हमारा?
छोड़ता है.
पता नहीं
Yang ini sebab tanya baik kena gaya pada kai. Let's go.
आप लोग जाके भी अपनी बाइकें ले लोगे और शूट अप कर लोगे सारा देन यू विल गो ऑल्सो एक चीज मैं आपको फटाफट कर दूंगा 13 टर्न्स ऑन दिस ट्रैक 13 टर्न्स है हमारे ट्रैक पे जो हमारे सामने
Follow the controls. If you have any doubt, our KTM team is right here to help. Follow the marshal. Track marshals are your eyes on the course. Follow their instructions and respect every flag, signal, track, and rules. Maintain distance. Our riders know unnecessary overtaking.
go.
Just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. Once I get in and I put it in drive, ain't no more stopping me, don't even try. Controlling the chaos, controlling the vibe. Yeah. That's all the shots that you don't take. You'll never be heard if you don't say. Just gotta get out your own way. You can't learn to fly on your own if you don't let go. Step out of the shadows, into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it up louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be
So ngam tip hibis ngom no tamanga subang sultan ha. Oh, tinggal dito ba bre ba. So yeah. Ya pokok nak vlog saya kabang sultan. So like share subscribe bro. Let's go.
आइए तो चिल्लाइए मेरे साथ एक साथ come on.
Please kill the music, please. Okay, now we have one professional group who will go out. Most of the riders here are professional riders in this group. They have all raced or competed or done some time trial.
So kata ka video eh bang kabang ha. So this is the brother from Darjeeling.
Guys,
Hello.
They were so handsome.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Like, share, subscribe to our brother.
So you have right.
Yeah, I've ridden. I just rode.
So how was your experience?
It was crazy experience. Yeah, good track experience.
So before you have been riding in this track?
Done a couple of events. Yes, I did participate in KTM Cup Season 3, GT Cup. But our pro riders here,
Was
All India P9.
so brother, how was your experience in Guwahati?
Experience is good. Like we can't push to our limits, but it was just a test ride. So overall experience was good. Let's see. Tomorrow will be the track day. Tomorrow we'll push, and in fast pace man of Northeast we'll come back more stronger.
Yeah. So all the best for you tomorrow, brother.
Thank you so much.
So bro,
Hello guys. What is up?
what is up? So how was your experience?
Really well. Got to ride with my friends. That's
And the most exciting thing about Guwahati, how was the weather?
Weather, it's been, I got to see both sun and rain.
Oh,
So yeah, it's good.
the weather of Guwahati is too hot, right?
Right now it's really hot.
So kini kita ki rider na po Darjeeling. Kumba VE kini ki long ki professional type na brother. Kini kita ki professional. Kaya kila nan Darjeeling kiwan dengan ka kali kitap apa ka kalima ka bike ke. Kikian kit ke. Fine. Hope for the best. Let's go.
Here we go, another bunch of riders into my river.
Bueno, te calma, te venga. So, ka banyak baik adanya. Tigalong ka babang ka ba sultanat naman namar ka digasin Nyngkong Baik kemudian banyak bang. Ya sobang sultanat mo. इधर भाई को कैसा लगा चला के
ठीक ठाक है बढ़िया लगा मुफ्त का चीज में बहुत सुकून मिलता है
अभी इसका बारी ना
हम लोग को मुफ्त में तो कुछ भी
गोरिल्ला स्टाइल करो ना
नहीं
so ngampun kut na naga vlogs naga video nemo taba nanti mo via so no da bi kenal plus like
ऐसे ये सब डॉक्यूमेंट
ya